These houses are built the way a river builds its own path, with patience and with trust. Stone gathers at the base like a steady thought. Timber arches lift the roofline into something almost protective, each joint held by iron that doesn't hide its strength. The cottage sits where green becomes quiet, stone grounded, timber lifting into a clean, brave roofline. A small stream runs beside it like a companion that never asks for much. The walls keep their texture. Honest stone, dark beams, warm wood. Light moves through deep windows and lands thoughtfully on simple things. A table, a chair, a shelf of books. Copper and linen, clay and oak. Each piece chosen for steadiness, not show. The cottage leans into the mountains like it belongs there. River stone walls, cedar shingles, and a timber gable stitched with dark iron. The stream keeps close, bright and clear, as if the house asked it to stay. Thick stone, heavy beams, softened edges, warmth held in the bones of the place. Woven light hangs overhead, and wood surfaces glow like something well-loved. Windows open to water and pine, and the rooms don't compete with the view. They cradle it. The house meets the river with a steady, open posture. Stone at its feet, timber above, a porch line drawn like a quiet welcome. The pallet stays close to the earth. Warm wood beams cross the ceiling like calm directions, and stone walls hold the coolness of shade even at noon. Large windows pull the landscape in. Water, grass, distant pines, until the view feels like part of the room's breathing.